Welcome to the final lesson in Simple Pool and Pest's basic pool maintenance course. You've learned a lot about cleaning, chemistry, and filters, and now it's time to explore some advanced techniques that can make pool maintenance even easier and more efficient. First, we have shocking your pool. Shock treatments are used to kill bacteria, algae, and other contaminants, and to restore the effectiveness of your regular chlorine treatment. Shocking basics. Shocking your pool involves raising the chlorine levels for a short period. This process kills bacteria and breaks up chloramines, which cause cloudy water and irritate eyes and skin. Shocking tips. Pool shock should be added in the evening to prevent the sun from burning off the chlorine. After shocking, run the pool filter for at least 24 hours to circulate the water. Do not swim in the pool until the chlorine level drops to 3 ppm or lower. Algae prevention. Algae is a simple, microscopic aquatic plant that thrives in environments with water, sunlight, and nutrients. They come in various forms, from the classic green algae to the dreaded black algae. Preventing algae growth is easier than eradicating it once it has taken hold. Algae prevention basics: regular brushing, maintaining water balance, keeping chlorine at the proper level, and running the filter sufficiently each day all help prevent algae. Algae prevention tips. Maintaining proper water circulation. This means paying attention to your pool's pumps and filters, ensuring they are in tip-top shape to keep the water moving and prevent any stagnant areas that algae just love to cozy up in. Regular water testing and balancing. Think of it as a chemistry experiment, but without the lab coat and safety goggles. Testing and adjusting the pH and chlorine levels help keep the water in the sweet spot that algae find unbearable, making them want to pack their bags and head for greener pastures. Using algicides and algistats. These are like the superheroes of the pool world, battling algae and preventing its growth. Algicides act as a shield, while algistats throw algae off balance. Together, they ensure that your pool stays clear, sparkling, and entirely algae-free. Proper pool maintenance and cleanliness. Yes, pool maintenance can be a chore, but it's worth it. Skim those leaves, brush those walls, and vacuum that pool floor like a pro. Keeping your pool squeaky clean makes it an unsuitable habitat for algae to set up. Winterizing your pool. Prepping your pool for winter can prevent costly damage and make opening it in spring much easier. Winterizing basics. Balance the water chemistry. About a week before you plan to close your pool, make sure the water chemistry is properly balanced. Adjust the pH, alkalinity, and calcium hardness levels to the recommended range. This will help prevent any scaling or corrosion during the winter. Clean the pool. Before closing the pool, vacuum the pool floor and scrub the walls to remove any debris. This will help prevent any staining or buildup during the winter. Lower the water level. Lower the water level below the skimmer to prevent any freeze damage. If you have a mesh safety cover, lower the water level 18 inches below the skimmer. If you have a solid cover, lower the water level 6 inches below the tile line. Drain pool equipment. Drain all the water from the pool equipment, including the pump, heater, and filter. If you have any automatic pool cleaners, remove them and drain all the water from them as well. Add winterizing chemicals. Add the recommended amount of winterizing chemicals to the pool, according to the manufacturer's instructions. This will help prevent algae growth and bacterial buildup during the winter. Winterizing tips. A safety cover can protect your pool and your family during the off-season. Cover the pool with a winter pool cover, making sure it is securely fastened and free of any tears or holes. This will help prevent any debris from getting into the pool during the winter. A pool air pillow under the cover can prevent damage from freezing water. This helps turn the pillow into an ice compensator. When the pressure builds up due to the pool freezing, the ice expands inward towards the pillow instead of outwards into the pool walls. Spring opening. Opening your pool in the spring is crucial to ensuring a safe and enjoyable swimming season. A properly opened pool can prevent many costly repairs and ensure that the water is clean and healthy. Opening your pool as soon as temperatures permit can help prevent algae growth. Once the snow starts melting and warmer days become more common, it's time to open your pool. Algae will start to grow at 60 degrees F, which is around 15 degrees C. To keep spring pool maintenance easy, you need to start opening your pool before the temperature reaches 60 degrees Fahrenheit in your pool. Check pool equipment. Next, take a look at your pool equipment. Make sure everything is in good working order. Check the pump, filter, and any other machinery you have. Remove the pool cover. Before you begin removing the cover, you need to remove any water or debris that has collected on top. This may seem like unnecessary work, because you will also clean your pool. However, any chance to prevent extra debris from getting in your pool is worth it. Cleaning the pool. Skim pool, vacuum pool, brush pool, in that order. Get your pool brush and scrub every inch of the sides and floor. Balancing water chemicals. Finally, you need to balance the water chemicals in your pool. This is the most crucial step to ensure your pool is swim-ready. You'll need to test the pH levels, alkalinity, and chlorine levels. Make sure they're all within the recommended range. Not too high, not too low. Opening your pool in spring can be an exciting time, but it's also important to make sure you're doing it safely. Consider hiring a pool professional for your spring opening to ensure everything is done correctly. With these advanced pool techniques in your toolbox, you're well equipped to handle any pool maintenance task. From shocking your pool to prevent algae, to preparing your pool for the winter months, these strategies will keep your pool clean, clear, and ready for swimming. Congratulations on completing our course.